Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will share you beautiful Pinecone crafts ideas. So I hope viewers will enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is mini bird. Paint the Pinecone brown or blue, add paper rings or beak and feathers. Let's make a sweet little bird for home decoration. And friends, next idea is friends. Pinecone feather. Collect many pincones and glue them into a round cardboard base. Decorate with ribbon, leaves, berries for a beautiful warmth. And viewers, my next idea is friends. Candle holder decoration. Place a candles in the center of a tray and arrange pincones around it with small leaves and flowers. It's creative, warm and cozy look. And viewers, snow winter pincones. Paint the tips of the pincones with the white paint to look like snow. Spark a little glitter for a spark winter decoration. And friends, my next idea is viewers. So friends, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates viewers. So Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care friends. Allah Hafiz.